Hello everyone. No, it's been a long time since I posted anything. My son playing in the sand here. And today I am placing my tie rod. As you see, I fuck this one up.
Look at that.
I can't pull it out either. I'd have to drill it.
Why don't you just look at it?
I think I'll need some sleeves next time I go out. So a lot of you guys have had questions about my tires. As you can see, I am running 305 55s on R20s dirt tracks. The wheels are drop stars. Drop stars, there's a little pin here somewhere. Logo right there. And I know I've been telling everyone that these are 10 wide. They are actually only 9 wide, 0 offset. Tires measure out to be 12 wide. I like this lip here. Don't make curb rash. Also, other things that I've done recently, I've added some skyjackers, some hydro 7000s. These are like an off-road shocks, and our whole neighborhood here was under construction for a good while. Rusty as fuck. They're meant for is it 2 or no? The rears are 3 to 4 inch of lift. The front I also just swapped out for some skyjackers. They are 2 to 4 inches of lift. I got these because my rough countries were done. And decided to go out to try out these guys. I don't know if it's an upgrade or not. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Just look at that. It was all because of a little hill climb I did yesterday. There was a rock at the top there I didn't see. I'll show a little clip here. So, other than that, why I haven't been posting anything for a long time is, well, over the course of winter, I've been dealing with a whole lot of front end problems. Swapping out all the links, ball joints, all that. My idler arm I still have to do. I'm still waiting for my idler arm bracket. I did my pitman arm. And I did order some sway bar links. They did get damaged due to the flood there in Montreal. That was a little while ago. I'm waiting for some new ones that are coming in as well. Jeez. And I'll give you guys a little update on what's been happening. Nothing new done besides replacement parts, which is also a few other problems I'm having that I also have to do is my, right down in there is my oil pressure sensor. That has to be swapped out. Same with my NOx sensors. I see on a lot of forums that, you know, it's an easy part to swap out, easy fix. I figure I might as well do the oil pressure sensor as well, just because it's like right in behind there. I'm gonna have my whole top of my intake off, so figure two birds with one stone, right? Get it out of the way, get it done with. But that's another thing on the to-do list. And because of that oil pressure sensor, I don't know if it is or not. Maybe Super Chips can tell me. Is that when I try to I tried to change it to a different setting there, it launched my launched it back into stock mode. So I don't know if that's due to the fact that the oil pressure sensor went, because that's around the time it kind of did that. I tried to switch it back and went back to stock. So I don't know, Super Chips, if you're listening. So anyways, that's it for today. Hopefully you guys subscribe. I see a lot of new guys showing up. Thank you. And yeah, stay along for the build. I plan to do a 6-inch lift in the future, if not sooner. I hope. But yeah, stay, like, subscribe, and till then, see you guys on the flip side.